Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. My name is Victor Quager, your business success coach and consultant. And once again, I come here with a business building blocks episode 4 for 2023. Now, unfortunately, some family and friends will not start believing in you until strangers begin celebrating. This by Cathy Latta. We all need one support or the other in pursuing and manifesting our dreams and goals, especially at the beginning of the new year. It is natural to think that our family and close friends should be our de facto greatest help, but that is not always the case. Do not be discouraged. It is nothing new. Many will rather stand afar and watch to see what will happen rather than help you. See it as a bonus if you get the support of family because they tend to be the last and the least supportive until you make it. Let the goal drive you and learn to reach out beyond your immediate network and appreciate every support from anyone else, taking nothing and no one for granted. The process becomes the growing pains you require to develop the tough skin you need for the journey ahead of you. Stay focused, my friend, and be grateful for the opportunity to be alive and to go after your dreams. I hope this inspires and challenges you. Now, before you go, as a business coach and consultant, I help many start and grow their businesses. If you are interested in starting a new business this year or grow your existing business, please don't hesitate to reach out and I'll be more than glad to help you. And very critically, we've got upcoming our business building blocks podcast, and I challenge you to get ready for it. It's going to be informative, exciting, and we're going to share a lot of stuff that's going to help you in your entrepreneurial journey. And finally, if you ever want to become a writer, an author, and publish your book, the book writing workshop is yours. I put this thing together after writing 13 books and publishing 8 books, then helping many other authors with the same strategies I developed over the years. This is 10 steps to write your book in 10 days. 10 steps to write your book in 10 days. 10 steps to write your book in 10 days. Sign up for it and get ready. It's going to be on the 14th of January. Thank you once again, and please don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section, and follow us for more. Thank you, and God bless you.